Hello everyone, it's the Canadian Futures Trader here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the video.
Gotta get more followers.
If you have not already, be sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications, get notified every time I put out a brand new video. Today's video, very excited to announce that yes, I passed the Uprofit Trader 50K evaluation. I wanted to go through what the funding process is like because I know that when I first started this entire journey going through different trader evaluations, I had a lot of questions and some of it just wanting to know, how does it work? What are the actual steps once you pass until you get funded? That's what this video is all about, so stick around if you want to see that. So just to give a bit of context, I took the 50K evaluation with Uprofit Trader. In the past, I used to document pretty much every time I went through one of these. I would do daily updates. I purposely didn't do that with this evaluation. I found a lot of times what I was doing was focused more on making a good video than focusing on good trading. So if I had a bit of a down day, I didn't want to just accept it. I wanted it to end up being a good day. So I had a good video to make. And that just leads obviously to busting. So as expected, not recording, not focusing on any of that aspect of it, just focusing on actually making good trades. It's a 10-day evaluation. I passed on day number 4 and then just had to kind of put in the rest of the days until I passed. So let's get through the process from once you pass until you get your funded account. So I'm going to demonstrate this through the series of emails you go back and forth with, from the submitting your account to having it reviewed to signing the contract to getting your funded account. I've obviously blacked out all my personal information in all the emails that you're about to see. So my day 10 was on a Friday and I'm on Pacific Coast time, PST right now. So the market close for these evaluations is 1 o'clock or 1:10 p.m., whatever you want to call it. So as you can see here on Friday, I waited about an hour and I sent them an email. Just said, hey, I finished the 50K evaluation, submitting for evaluation. Here's my login name, the email on the account that I passed. And again, just let me know the next steps. There is an assignment fee with Uprofit Trader. So I got an email back. I don't have the time displayed here. It was about an hour later from Uprofit, basically saying, congratulations, good to hear. It's going to go to review and we will let you know the next steps. So all the evaluation companies do this. It's not a big deal, but essentially they just double check your account, because it's one thing if your dashboard shows, that you passed and you met all the goals. And I'm sure you know that you met all the goals, but they just need to double verify that you didn't break any rules along the way that maybe didn't trigger something, and just to give it that first step manual review. So no big deal. Like I said, all the companies do this. So that was, let's say, about 3 p.m. on Friday. Here, I do have the time showed at 6 p.m. on Friday. I get this email. Congratulations, your account's verified. So pretty quick, and I'm going to skip ahead here to the next. So this is just down further on the same email. Congratulations, welcome. Your account's been verified. You complied, you met all the rules, etc. So within the next 24 hours, business hours, so again, remember this is a Friday evening at this point, you'll receive some emails with information. So once again, excited, it's been verified, really wasn't expecting to hear anything until Monday. Well, I was pleasantly surprised when on Sunday morning, which I wasn't expecting, I received a series of emails. You received this certificate. It might have actually came with the prior email. I can't quite remember, but you can certainly print this out. It has your name on it. I've just replaced it with my logo. The email, which I don't have a screenshot of the email, but basically it has a few things in there. One, they confirmed that they canceled your PayPal subscription fee. So the monthly fee you pay for the evaluation, they canceled on their side. I'll just show you that. I also received an email from PayPal confirming that. So that is that. As well, you'll receive a separate email with a link to the contract, which you need to review and sign. I'll talk a little bit about that in a second. The third thing you need to do is pay the assignment fee. So I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there is a one-time fee you pay when you pass. Keep in mind, you don't pay any data fees. So yes, you have to pay this fee right after passing. Feels a little bit odd, but this is in lieu of ever paying a data fee. There'll be no more fees going forward. So I was happy to pay it. Going back to the contract itself, so I'm not going to show it whatsoever. Like other funded trader evaluation programs, if you've followed me for a while, you've heard this speech before. They are fairly heavy on the non-disclosures. You're really not supposed to talk about your funded account at all. You're not supposed to represent the company in any sort of which way. You're not supposed to show the contract in any form. So I'm not going to be showing any of that. What I will say is that there's no surprises in the contract. Everything you expect from the website for your live funded account is the same that's in the contract. There is a scaling plan. With the 50K account, I will reach myself up to where I can trade 6 contracts. The withdrawal schedule is on the site, exact same in the contract. If anything, the contract is just sort of normal standard legal stuff. You're not an employee of them. You're a 1099 contractor. Here's the withdrawal schedule. Please provide, your banking information. So if you were to do a bank wire or ACH withdrawal, they have that on file already. So it'd be, if anything, good for you and facilitate withdrawing money, and so on. So like I said, there's no surprise in the contract. Like, really, everything is good. I was happy to sign that. So I submitted the contract on Sunday morning. I also paid this fee Sunday morning. So again, at this point, I really wasn't expecting anything until Monday, but at this point, Uprofit had really over-delivered. And that goes for this as well. They sent me an email on Sunday. I think it was a little bit later in the day, like the afternoon, just saying, hey, we confirm we received your payment and the agreement. In 3 to 5 business days, you'll receive your live credentials. Awesome. This was perfect. Really excited. So again, this was on Sunday. I had read one other funded trader. It did take them closer to 5 days to get their credentials. So I was fine with that. If it ended up being on Friday, it ended up being on Friday. But as you can tell, I'm putting this video up on Wednesday because Wednesday morning, 9:49 a.m., I receive an email from Uprofit Trader, live credentials.
Wow! Wow, wow, wow! The day has come! Yes!
Hope you are feeling well. Yes, I am. Thank you very much, because I am now officially funded with Uprofit Trader. Excited to start doing this. So they give you your username, login, all that stuff. It's the Rhythmic information that you need. So it will be Rhythmic, but it will be different from your evaluation account. As well, one question I've gotten, can you continue using NinjaTrader for free? Yes, you can. And they provide you with a new license key that you will use in NinjaTrader if you want to do so. And that is basically it, guys. You log in and you start trading. Don't break any rules, and off and running. So I know this wasn't the most exciting video. It was really told through emails, but I really just wanted to document the process, because I know when I very first started trader evaluation programs, I was curious about everything, not just the rules when trading. How does it actually work? When you pass, like, just what happens? Well, that's what you saw in the last few minutes. So it takes about 5 days. Obviously, could take a few more. I felt like Uprofit did a great job just kind of getting this done, getting me set up, and I'm off and running with the live account. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll answer them the best I can. Of course, I already mentioned the thing about the contract and the funded account, so I can only answer what I'm allowed to, but very excited to be funded by Uprofit Trader now as well. Going to be working on this account, going to be working on some new content. And the last thing I want to mention, if you're interested in Uprofit Trader, they run promotions every single month. It changes month to month. The current July 21 promotion is 30% off any valuation. If you're watching this in the future, a terrific way to find out the current promotion is to come to my website, CanadianFuturesTrader.ca. There's a link down below. Click on deals and promos. That's this page we're looking at. And I'll always list the current promotions here for Uprofit Trader, as well as the other evaluation companies that I'm familiar with, and I've gone through their programs, and I'm funded with some of these other ones as well. So certainly, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. And if you want the current promotion, come to my site, check this out. And I'm going to leave you with that, guys. I'm off to trade my newly funded Uprofit Trader account. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.